Good morning, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Jackery Portable Power Station, Explorer 240. Backup lithium battery, pure sine wave AC outlet, solar generator, solar panel not included, and it's for outdoors, camping, travel, hunting, and emergency situations. It's got 5,800 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars. Very nice. This 200 watt power station is 5 by 9 by 7.67 inches and weighs 3.1 kilograms. Operates at 110 volts and is included in the best portable power station for use in the outdoors by Digital Trends. It has multifunctional outlets, including 2 USB-A ports and 1 DC car port, and it powers many pieces of equipment such as phone, laptop, lights, fans, mini cooler, and so on. And Jackery also makes other portable power stations, so if you're looking for something with slightly different specs, check those out as well on the listing. Now let's check out an excellent review by verified purchaser Jeff T. Needed something to power my CPAP machine while camping. I chose the Jackery Explorer 240 and it has surpassed both my needs and expectations. This is an update as I have enjoyed using the Jackery Explorer 240 numerous times over the past year. It continues to provide consistent power to my CPAP machine. On numerous occasions, I have used the unit for 5 nights of uninterrupted power, mostly in the 8 to 9 hours range of CPAP use. Never have I experienced any type of auto shutoff as others have commented on. The 240 packs nicely in its carry bag, it's lightweight and fits in the corner of the tent next to my CPAP machine. It recharges quickly and stays recharged for months while in winter storage. When I was first considering this purchase, I debated the need for the solar option to recharge while in the field. Now that the 240 has proven I can get 5 nights of use, which is the extent of my normal timeout, I'm glad I did not spend the extra. The Jackery Explorer 240 has proven to be one of the best camping lifestyle purchases I have made. Awesome. So there you go. The Jackery Portable Power Station 240 is available on Amazon Prime, so that means free shipping and free delivery. So check it out today, you're gonna love it.